Learners, in order to create a landing page by ChatGPT or Gemini for Selldone, simply from a landing page, come here, third one, sections, and drag and drop this one. It is called basic. Drag and drop here. Then we need to go to any website, any design that we have seen, and copy that component. For example, like this one, this design, just simply copy this section. And now we need to go ChatGPT and call Selldone, write add some, Selldone, and select Selldone. All of the instructions, all of the things that ChatGPT needs to know about Selldone page builder is already available in ChatGPT database, so you don't need to do anything. Just ask, create this component, and paste. And let's see what happens. It begins creating this component for you. It takes maybe 1 2 minutes, and it generates the code for you. So you need to copy paste this code. Let's see. So it is creating the component for you. Then you need to copy this code and paste into Selldone here. You just click here in this red box code. Then we need to select view and delete this one. Now let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, now done. Just copy the code back to Selldone, paste the code, and boom. As you see, the ChatGPT created this section for you. And however, definitely you need to ask, some comments. You need to tell ChatGPT that I want this one, I want that settings, I want that extra, for example, adjustment for my section. So you can simply ask ChatGPT again. Now let's see the settings for this one. As you see, all of the cards, they're called cards, right? All of them are here. We can also add more cards, add more cards, add more cards, and we can do other settings from here. Even we can upload images. Now it is ready, right? But for example, if you want to change the corner of uh, these cards, you don't see radius here. Just ask ChatGPT add radius for cards and button and any text box. Right? Now ChatGPT regenerates the code for you. Again, we can copy paste the code. As you see, you can change for example, the button color. You see here, and other information here. For example, let's change the size 18. As you see, this text box just changed. You can change the font weight, for example, this one. Now you see the code. And let's go to ChatGPT. It still creates. Mm, no. Okay, done. Copy back here. Delete the code. Now paste the code. Apply. And then, um, in order to see the other change, you need to press this reset to default. In order, in order to see the new, I don't know, for example, settings, new information, new tools. reset to default. Now, as you see here, we have card radius, button radius, text radius. For example, let's change it to 0. You see all of the cards now are sharp. For extra settings that you need, you can simply add ChatGPT and simply save the section here. One more thing, which is super important. For example, maybe during talking to ChatGPT, it creates a code that you don't like it, and you already pasted here, so you don't know how to undo this code change. Just simply come here, press here, then the history of your sections are here. For example, if I select this one, it goes to this one. The other sections that I just tried to create. And thanks for watching this video.